Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool chair. So this was sent over by a company called VEVOR, and it is a basically mid-century modern looking chair. It's got this nice brown look to it. It's got wood handles. It's very comfortable when sitting in it. It has this nice faux leather, so it's super easy to wipe up and clean up if it ever gets dirty. Now, to give you an idea of the size, it is about 25¼ inches wide. It's about 28¼ inches depth, and it's about 31½ inches in height. That is the overall size of the chair itself. However, the actual seating element itself is about 20¾ inches wide. It's about 19¼ inches depth, and then the back part of it is about 17¼ inches tall. Now, the cushion that you're sitting on is about 5¼ inches thick, and then that back cushion that you're leaning against is about 3 inches thick. So they're very comfortable to sit on. It's a nice firm cushion, so it's not like you're gonna sink in this or anything like that. It's very supportive. As far as the build time, it's going to go together really, really quick. It's all you're gonna need if you're doing it by yourself, maybe 15 to 20 minutes max. It's gonna come with all the hardware that you need. The instructions are super easy to follow when flipping through the book. And then it even has built in these nice little wood plugs, which they do include a couple of spares. So that way you don't even see where the screws are. It blends in very, very well. It's a very nice, classy looking chair. It makes a nice little accent piece for your home, maybe your office, maybe your study setup. As far as the maximum capacity, as far as weight, it can hold up to 330 pounds. And like I mentioned, the cushion is very comfortable because it's made out of that high dense foam, but it doesn't, when you sit in it and you leave, it doesn't have like a big rebound, so it holds its shape, which is another nice thing. I've not had any issues with any sagging or anything like that. And then, as I mentioned, the frame here is all made out of a nice rubber wood frame. It's very, very smooth when holding, and it's very comfortable when sitting in. I can't stress that enough. So overall, if you're looking for just a great, classy, mid-century modern chair, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.